Hi, grade 5 students. Again, we will review lessons or skills we studied before and use them to learn a new skill, inshallah. So, if you remember, prime numbers that has two factors, prime numbers. Prime numbers have only two factors, one and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. For example, if we take 5 has only two factors, 1 times itself only. That's why we call it prime numbers. Regarding composite numbers, for example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These numbers, we can write them as a product of prime factors. So what are the prime factors of 4? 2 times 2. These are prime factors. So we can write it as a product of prime factors. For example, 9 has 3 times 3. These are prime factors. The next skill we talked about was writing numbers or products of the same factor using exponent. For example, if you multiply the same factor many times, you can write this product of the same factor as a power, using exponent. So you can say 3 to the 4th power. 3 to the 4th power. Remember how to read it. Another example, 10 multiplied by 10. So we multiply 10 two times. It is a product of the same factor. So 10 is the base and 2 is the exponent. How many times we multiply the factor. So how we read it? 10 to the second exponent. So the number 10 raised to the second exponent. Okay, or we can say 10 to the second power. Now we need to do a prime factorization again using factorization 3. Prime factorization. So sometime you have a question, say write prime factorization of prime factorization of number, composite number or number 72 using exponents. Using exponent. How will you do that? I will show you how to do that. Now we will do this example of the composite number 72. Give me two factors you multiply to make 72. We can choose 9 times 8. 9 is still composite number, so it has two factors to make it. So 3 times 3. I circle 3 because it is a prime factor now, because I'm looking for prime factors. 3. 8, it has two factors. 2 times 4. 2 is a prime factor. I circle it. Now 4 is still a composite number, so it has factors. 2 times 2. Now I almost finished. What are factors of or prime factorization of 72? They are what? I order them from least to greatest. من الصغير إلى الكبير. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now I write all prime factors of 72. if you notice here, we repeated the same factor 3 times. I can write it as or using exponent. So this is a product of the same factor can be written as exponent. The base is 2. How many times I multiplied 2? 3 times. So the exponent is 3. So 2 to the third power multiply. Here I repeated the same factor 2 times. So the base is 3 and the exponent is 2. So what are the factors or prime factorization of 72? It is 2 to the third power and multiplied by 3 to the second power. So 72 factors are 2 to the third power multiplied by 3 to the second power. That's it. I will give you a homework inshallah on my group.